Good morning, students. A very warm welcome to all the students of Guru Gobind Singh Public School and Junior College, Standard 5th, Subject Geography. We are studying the lesson number 11, Our Home and Environment. Topics from the lesson: homelessness, personal attachment with our house, growth in population, and increase in requirement of houses. Learning objective: in this lesson you are going to study about different structures of houses and understand the causes of people become homeless. Students, last video you all have studied about the different types of houses and the construction or the structure of the houses changes from region to region. People build houses to suit the climate of their region using the natural resources that are available. Differences in the construction and building materials give rise to the different types of houses. Water, food, clothing, and shelter are the basic needs of every human being. However, these needs are not fulfilled in the case of each and every person, then the situation arises like around us we see many people who lack shelter. They seek shelter at the roadside, on footpath, under the bridges. You can observe the picture how the people they are living under the bridge, on the footpaths, or in tumble down buildings or the vacant buildings near the railway line or bus station, or even the open grounds. Many people are forced to be homeless because they have insufficient means not enough, insufficient or no means of livelihood. Students, because of that, people are facing the problem of homelessness. A section of our society being homeless is a social problem. It is not a problem of that person. We all people, those who are living in that society, it is a social problem. That is why the government implements many schemes to provide homes to the homeless people. In some of the cities, the government makes the night shelters available to the homeless. Now, let's see the causes or the reasons why people become homeless. First reason, lack of affordable housing. Affordable means not reasonable, not cheap. Because of their poor salary, they are not able to afford the house or to purchase the house. Second, inadequate income. Inadequate means insufficient or lack of income. That is the second reason, inadequate income of the person. Then unemployment. Students, unemployment is a situation it occurs when a person who is actively searching a job. Okay, those the people they are searching the job and they are unable to find the job, or they are unable to find the work, and if they did not work anything they will not get the money. That is the main reason people become homeless or the unemployment, having no work, no job. Next, physical and mental disorders. Sometimes people become physically or mentally ill, means they are their personality get imbalanced, they are not able to do any type of work, so that time they are become homeless. Next is the natural disasters. Students, you know all of you which are the natural disasters as earthquake, flood situations, tsunami, cyclone. In such a type of situations, people they lost their houses. Next is the poverty. Poverty means that is the state of being extremely poor, that is a very poor condition of a person, and therefore because of the poverty people cannot going to purchase the house or the home. They are not able to afford the house. Students, we all have a right to clean, potable water, sufficient food and safe shelter and the education. These all are our basic needs. Students, observe the picture. As time passed, humans went on making suitable changes in their shelter. You can observe the picture. In the first picture, the picture of apes, that is the apes are looking like a chimpanzee or the monkeys. They were in the monkeys form. In that time they are our ancestors. So they were living on the branches of the trees. They are collecting the materials, food material, whatever found in the jungle or the forest place. They collected it and that was their diet. They were living in the jungles. Okay, they were the forager. Then afterwards, to protect themselves, they find the shelter. So therefore they started using the animal hides or the caves to live themselves or to protect themselves from the chilling cold, sun heat or the wind and the wild animals. Then afterwards changes occur in their life. They are making suitable changes. They find materials, whatever the materials they found in the nature, they use it and they started constructing the small huts and then they are living in that. They were searching the suitable place near the banks of rivers where they can get easily any food, fishes, and they settle their life there. They started settle their life on the banks of river and there they started constructing the kacha house that you have studied in the last video. Then slowly and gradually human being make a progress and they started constructing the pakka house, and now the today in the modern age you have find there are the big buildings, apartments are there, skyscrapers are there to live. Students, now observe the picture. In that picture, you can observe that construction work is there going on and the children or that child is observing them. So, students, you also visit a place where construction work is going on and list the materials that you see there. Obtain the information about the pollution in that area. Students, on the page number 54 in your EVS 1 textbook, you have given the chart, you have given the materials required for the construction work. You have to write down their original source, means which is the original source we obtain that material using for the construction site. So you have to find the original sources from which construction material is obtained and you have to note down it in the chart given on the textbook page number 54. So you visit a construction site and make that activity. Students, always remember that though there are so many different types of houses, everyone is attached to their own house. It is not only the walls and doors and windows and the roof that make up house, it is the people who live in that house and their love and affection for one another that turns a house into a home. Students, you have studied it in the family values lesson also, that when we all live together with love and affection with each other, then it turns to house. Okay, then that turns a house into home. So students, in this video you have studied about different types of houses, causes of people become homeless. Home assignment, read the lesson carefully and draw the concept chart of people become homeless given on the textbook page number 53. Thank you.